Good day everyone. Today I will briefly discuss two significant events in Philippine history, the Conley case and the cabinet crisis of 1923. These incidents played crucial roles in shaping the political landscape during the American colonial. Let's start with the Conley case in 1923. A controversy erupted involving then Secretary of the Interior, Dean C. Worcester, and a newspaper editor named William Conley. Conley accused Worcester of corruption and misuse of public funds in connection with the Philippine Commission. This case gained widespread attention because it exposed the issue of governance and accountability during American rule. The public demanded transparency, and the case highlighted the need for reform within the colonial government. The cabinet crisis of 1923. Now moving on to the cabinet crisis of 1923. This was a political conflict that stemmed from disagreements within the Philippine government, particularly between the president and his cabinet members. The crisis was triggered when several cabinet members resigned in protest against what they perceived as interference by the American colonial authorities in Philippine affairs. The situation escalated when President Manuel L. Quezon attempted to assert more independence for the Philippines, challenging the influence of American officials. The crisis reached its peak when the American Governor General Leonard Wood dismissed several Filipino cabinet members, leading to a standoff. Quezon and his cabinet refused to cooperate, and the crisis threatened to destabilize the government. Ultimately, the crisis was resolved through negotiation, and reforms were implemented to give Filipinos more control over their governance. Both the Conley case and the cabinet crisis of 1923 were pivotal in the Filipino struggle for sovereignty. They highlighted the desire of Filipinos to assert their independence and to hold their leader accountable. This event also paved the way for further political development that eventually led to the Philippines independence in 1946. In summary, the Conley case exposed issue of corruption, while the cabinet crisis reflected the Filipino people's fight for political independence. Together, they are important chapters in Philippine history that remind us of the ongoing quest for self-governance and integrity in leadership.